Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm at CVS. I'm at one of my favorite stores. I love this store because it's so big and it's so bright. And but they are like Club CVS down here, so that's the only thing I don't like is that it's Club CVS. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead, take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. So listen, I was thinking last night when I was trying to put together some deals, like, damn, let me put this down. Let me put this down without dropping it. Let me put this down without dropping it. So I can show off my sweater, my hoodie I got from Temu. I think it's so cute, isn't it? And I love me a hoodie. Y'all know I love me a flipping hoodie with a pocket. Like, I feel like when I wear my hoodies that don't have pockets, I feel like I'm always going like this, like looking for the pocket, like where's the pocket at? But this one I got from Temu. So cute, right? Super cute. But listen, I am at CVS, you guys. I have got maybe 5 deals to share with you guys today. I'm hoping that they have everything in stock. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Without further ado, let's get these deals. Hey guys, so the first deal that we're gonna do is on the CoverGirl. Of course, this deal was flipping fire last week. And so CoverGirl is a tier deal, so it's either buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get 7. It doesn't track, so it's a one and done. We're gonna do the buy 3 get back 7. Yes, I am the I'm going to be grabbing the pencils, and I'm so happy they have some in stock. They are priced at $4.99, and the total is going to come to $14.97. We're going to be using 3 of these 3 off of 1 coupons that we just got in our inserts, and that's going to bring our total down to paying $5.97 and getting back 7. It'll make it $1.03 money maker. Now, if you still have your CRT from last week, it'll be a much bigger money maker. And so, yeah. So the next deal I'm gonna grab is on the Crest or Oral-B. The toothbrushes are on sale for $3.99, and they're also buy 3 get back 5. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them. That total is gonna come to $11.97, and then I'm gonna use 3 of these $2 printables from P&G Good Every Day. Alright, that's going to bring the total down to paying $5.97, but you're going to get back the $5 extra care bug. Not only that, we're also going to submit on Ibotta for $2 for each one, making this a $5.03 moneymaker. So my next deal is going to be on the Head & Shoulder. It is buy 1 get 1 40% off. There's Pantene, Old Spice, and Aussie and Herbal Essence that are also part of the same promotion. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab the Head & Shoulders. It's priced at $7.59 for the first one, and your second one is going to be $4.56. Now that total is going to come to $12.15. We're going to use the 3 off of 2 coupon right here from P&G Good Every Day. That's going to also attach with the 3 off of 2 digital as well. So we're going to save $6 off of this deal. You guys will end up paying $6.15 out of pocket, but we'll get back the 4 extra care bucks. On top of that, we're also going to be getting back 50 cents for each one on Ibotta, plus a 25-cent bonus for buying 2 of them. And so that's going to bring the total down to only 45 cents each, you guys, which is such an awesome deal. And my next hair care deal is going to be on the Dove. It is buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 5. And so for this, we're going to grab 2 of them. They're priced at $5.19 for that first one. The second one is going to be $2.59. So both are going to total $7.78. Now I have these $2 hang tags I got from Walmart. A good 2 weeks ago. That's going to be a total down to you paying $3.78 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that 5, making them both free plus $8.22 moneymaker. All right, so the next deal that I'm going to grab is going to be on the user, and it is spend 20, get back 10. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of the intensive repair, priced at $7.29. And for that, I'm going to use these 3 off of 1 coupons. They did expire on the 25th. All right, and then I'm gonna stack that with the Aquaphor right here. The little to-go size is priced at $6.29, and for that I'm going to be using I'm using a $3 coupon right here. So the total is going to come to $20.87, and then again we're using 2 of the coupons on the Eucerin, and we're using 1 of the coupons on the Aquaphor. That's going to bring our total down to paying $11.87, but we're going to get back the 10, making it $187. For all 3 are only 62 cents each. So this worked out okay, but let me tell you, those Aquaphor Eucerin coupons really kind of fumble at the register. Something else fumbled too. I forget what it was, but we ended up avoiding it and just scanning the coupons after each item, and that worked out perfect. I just love my cashiers because they're patient, you know, and they're willing to try different things with me. And a lot of times, if you have issues with the coupons, sometimes they do attach to different products, and I know that the Eucerin and the Aquaphor coupons are notorious for that. But this worked out pretty good. All right, so listen, so this is what my receipt looks like. There goes the Oral-B at the very top, followed by the Head and Shoulders, the Dove, the CoverGirl, and then the Aquaphor and Eucerin. All the coupons that I used today, they all scanned on my printables. Everything scanned perfect. There goes that Head and Shoulder digital right there, and then I wrote $35 I want to say in extra care box, I think. Yeah, I wrote $35.73 in extra care bucks. I had a $2 that adjusted down, and so 0 was our subtotal, and then I got back 7, 5, 4, 10, and 5. So I got back a total of $31 in extra care bucks, plus $7 on Ibotta, plus there was a 25-cent bonus as well for the Head and Shoulder, which is right here. So we got back a total of what did I get back a total of? I got back a total of $38.25. So it made this a $2.78 moneymaker. And so I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can run another deal before I get out of here today. So the next deal that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a household deal. And so the first one I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Gain and Tide. So it's spend 20, get back 5, and all of the products that I'm gonna grab are $5.49. So I'm gonna grab the softener right here, and then for that we have a digital, which is right here, and then I'm also gonna grab the liquid as well, which is the same price, and for that one we're gonna use this dollar digital right here, and then the Gain things right here, same price. That one has a $1 one. And then for Tide, they keep the Tide Pods behind the register. So, and then for the Tide Pods, there's a $1 digital as well. So go down to $17.96, and then you're gonna get back the 5. So it's gonna end up making it a net cost of $3.24 each. And so I'm gonna do that deal. I'm gonna just roll extra care bucks that I have on my card already. I'm also gonna stack it with the per sale deal as well, which is $6.99. And it's buy 2 get back 3. Now for this, I will be using the $2 coupon from our inserts. It does expire today. I'm gonna use 2 of these. That's gonna bring our total down to $9.98, and then you'll get back the 3, making them $3.49 each. And the last thing I think I'm gonna grab is paper goods, and that promotion is spend 30 get back 10. Now they have a Cottonelle, they have a Viva, they have a Scott. I really would love to buy the Scott, but girl, I have so much Scott at home. I have a flipping tower, 2 twin towers of Scotts, and so Lord knows I don't need it, but I need it. You know what I mean? I know some of y'all can relate. So the Viva are $10.49, and that's again spend 30 get back 10. Scott is $5.49. Obviously, if you can buy the Scott, you're gonna get like what, 6 of them? What, right? 10, 20, yeah, 6 of them. And then the Cottonelle as well right here, which is $10.49 as well. So I'm gonna grab I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the Cottonelle. It's $10.49, so 3 of them is gonna be $31.47, and you'll get back the 10. So it'll net it at $7.15 each. And so yeah. So the last deal I'm gonna grab It's gonna be on the Nivea body wash. They are 5 for $49. They're buy two get back 5. Total is gonna come to $10.98. Now for this, we're gonna use this 3 off of 2 coupon. It did expire on the 25th. I'm gonna stack that with the 3 off of 2 digital as well. We're hoping that it'll attach, which will save us $6. So we'll end up paying $4.98 and getting back the 5, making it free. So let's go check out. Alright guys, so this is my last little transaction. And so listen, so I was going over my receipt and realized that he charged me for 3 of the Nivea Men. So we did a return. It gave me back like, they gave me back 45 cents, and then it gave me the $2.49 extra care buck. So I was just like, but wait a minute, like that's only like $3, like, you know, it's because they use extra care bucks. So he forced me a 3 right there, which is cool. All right, so that made that right. So I had to redo my math. And so there goes the Purcell at the very top. There goes our cotton nail, all of our Gain, our Tide, our Nivea Men. Everything as far as our coupons all worked. I had paper coupons on the Purcell. We had paper coupon on the Nivea Men. There goes the digital for the Nivea Men, which is cool. There goes the Gain digitals. There goes the Tide digital. And then I rolled a total of like $65 in extra care bucks. Now, 29 of that was on my card. And then I ended up giving him 35 in paper coupons, I think it was. And so subtotal was 0. And then we got back 10, 15, 20, 23. So it nets everything here at $12.51 or $1.04 each, which is not necessarily bad. And so yeah, guys, I think what I'm gonna do is grab one more thing. The Chex Mix peanut butter bars. For that one, there is a rebate on Ibotta for 75 cents. Let me scan it really quick. Okay, yeah, so it's 75 cents. So it'll make that like, what, 124? And then they also have it on, I think, these two right here as well. But it's only 50 cents. So thought about getting some of these for Josiah. He really loves the fruit snacks, but he really likes the Welch's ones. But I'm thinking of grabbing those just to try and see if he likes them. Especially because I'm using extra care bucks. 50 cents on Ibotta, so to make those like 174. I'm gonna grab these and just burn some extra care bucks on these because I have some that I sent to my card already. So I'll grab those two for Josiah, and then I'm gonna grab these for Ibotta because it'll help me tackle my bonus. So that'll be $10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'll use a $10 extra care buck for those. And then it'll be like, yeah, and then I'll get money back on Ibotta and it'll be free. And so, yeah. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. It's crazy because I was thinking like, this is about to be a slow week, like for real. But it really did come together. I was able to burn some of my extra care bucks on the snacks. I also grabbed the Crest as well as the band. No deals with that stuff. It's just that that's stuff that my better half uses and needs. So he was gonna go to Star last night, and I was like, look, babe, I got like $10,000 in extra care bucks, so I'll go for you. And so no deal on that. I wish it was. Although what I should have done is I should have just tossed the Crest in with that Oral-B deal and used the 3 off of 18 CRT. That's what I probably should have did. But it was after the fact when I was like on my way home, like, oops, I can't forget again. And so yeah, but everything here worked out really, really good. All digitals that needed to attached. All my coupons scanned. And so I did a total of, I want to say 4 different transactions. And I went to one store, one card, which I'm going to try to start doing so that you guys can know that it's one card and all these deals are on one card. And so everything that you see here retails what? Everything that you everything you see here retails $168.95. I had $48 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $120.95. The tax is $12.32. What if you guys made a comment that you're taxed after coupons? I wish that we were taxed after coupons. That would be awesome. But we are taxed before coupons, but we're not taxed on food. And then we got back, so $120.95 out of pocket. We got back $54 in extra care bucks, another $9.50 for my Ibotta, which nets it pretty high, but I did reburn 51. So in essence, it brings it down to $69.95 out of pocket, and then 54 back, $9.50 on Ibotta, which nets everything at $6.45 or 20 cents each, you guys, which is definitely not bad. I almost forgot the winner of this contest. Okay, I did do a CVS announced a giveaway in my round 3 CVS video from last week. And so I wanted to go ahead and take care of that really quick before because I almost forgot. So I just use a YouTube comment picker. And so the first winner is, drum roll, China Davis. You are the first winner of a CVS gift card. All right, I'll include my email address for you guys to hit me up. And then the second winner is, drum roll, is Music to Love. All right, you are the second winner of a $10 CVS digital gift card. All right, I'll include my email address for you guys to email me, and then I'll just screenshot it and send it right to you. Okay, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl's almost about to hit 26,000 subscribers, which is just awesome. So if you got to this point in the video and you ain't even subscribed, like those who think you subscribed, double check because you might not be. So if you got to this far into the video and you realize you're not subscribed, you better hit that red little button, show your girl some love. And secondly, if you get this far and you didn't like the video yet, stop playing. Like seriously, stop playing. Hit the like button, support your girl, and ring the bell so you never miss out, because I don't know if I said that earlier in the video. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys different day, different time, same channel. Bye guys.